So along the lines of that data selector, we have another one that we can use here, which is called a data switch. Very simple one. So again, we're going to start by going into our scene settings, built-ins, scene plugins, and we're going to drag the data pool plugin into our scene settings plugin area. We'll go back into the server and let's just grab some type of picture here. Here's a picture of a control room. We can scale that up. We'll go into our built-ins, into our container plugins, the data folder. This time, just like an on-off switch, there's a data switch plugin. So we can drag this onto our group. And this is basically an on or off to hide something. So if you want to hide any type of container or subcontainer, you can use this. In the field name, again, you can give it anything. We'll just call it pick. And rather than going right into the Vizrt, we'll just go right into our data pool plugin area here and type it in here. And pick equals 0, which will hide it, or pick equals 1, which will unhide it. So a very simple and quick data switch plugin.